Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present about my final project of FPA200, and the members in this final project is Muhammad Amirul Ihsan bin Anwar, which is me, and my number metric is 2020890022, and my others member is Muhammad Ajwad bin Muhammad Subari, and his metric numbers is 2020858066.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ajwad bin Muhammad Subari, and now I want to talk about the introduction of our group innovation project. So for this innovation project, our group was choose a baking problem. So we was discussed to make a baking stick to make the baking process run more smoothly. Baking fruit is wrapping immature fruit with the plastic bag while they are young. Between the sensitive fruit and the outside world, the bag provide a barrier of protection. You may skip most of the spraying that keep fruit healthy by growing it in bag. So, at ITM Jingke, faham? We have a lot of fruits that has to be bagged. But for this project, our group was focused on the problem in the fruit plot. So, at the fruit plot, we have two fruit that must be baking. The fruit are pomelo fruit and soursop fruit. Because the soursop fruit are not ripe enough to be baked, we have only focused on baking pomelo fruit so far. So, to solve this problem of high fruit baking, our group was made a baking stick to facilitate the process of high fruit baking. This can reduce the risk to worker because there is no need to climb tree again. In addition, the use of labor can also be reduced because the process of baking fruit will run more smoothly and easily if there is this baking stick. Now we move for the diagram or detail about this baking stick. Okay, this is our prototype baking stick. This stick is made from pole and iron stick. To make this stick, we must use a welding and add-on spring to make the nozzle open and close. Our group made the nozzle open and close to make sure the baking plastic can wrap the fruit. The nozzle will open with the help of the spring in the iron rod. We must pull the button at the bottom of the stick to open the nozzle, and the empty zone at the middle of the nozzle is the place to put the plastic bag. For the procedure of using this baking stick, first we must put the plastic bagging at the nozzle empty zone. Make sure the plastic tip is on the nozzle tip. Second step is pull the button at the bottom of the stick to open the nozzle. The third step is after the fruit is in the plastic bag, release the button quickly to close the nozzle. For the next step, when the nozzle is closed, the plastic bagging will be automatically closed. So we can see the picture when the nozzle is closed. So the last step is then we just need to pull the button again to remove the nozzle from the fruit. The way of releasing the nozzle must be done a little more carefully and more slowly to make sure the nozzle do not damage the fruit.
Advantages and disadvantages. The advantages: first, to make the bagging activity become easier, which is the worker don't need to climb high branch to bagging the fruit. Second, it can save the use of time for bagging. Third, to prevent insect attack such as ants, bees and dangerous sting. And the last advantage is can help for bagging fruit that is on high branch. And the disadvantages is, the first one is fruit bagging using this prototype will not be as neat as using the manual method. Because manual method we can tie the plastic bag neatly. Second, the length of the stick used cannot be adjusted. And the last one is the use of prototypes is limited to medium fruit size such as apple and pomelo fruit only. It not suitable for the big fruit such as jackfruit. And next, I will talk about our financial. First, the price. For this project, we estimate the cost we use does not exceed 63 ringgit 90 cent. This is due to the withdrawal of money in a modest and cheap amount. And then I will talk about the cost. As you can see, we have used 4 material in this project, which is 3 meter aluminium pole, plastic bag, spring, and aluminium rod. And next is profit. As a consequence, we were able to estimate our costs and succeed. The price of this bagging stick has been renewed to 90 ringgit. This includes the expense, welding time, and energy expended by the workers to make this product by hand in order to preserve quality and consistency.
So for the feedback of our innovative project, with this innovative project that has various uses such as can pick food, can save our energy, and can save time for bagging food. In addition, this advanced device and precision agriculture allow business to be more profitable, efficient, safer, and more environmentally friendly. So the conclusion is, with this machine or this bagging stick that we create, that our group create, will improve the plantation industry in term of work aspect.
The last one is conclusion. In general, the major goal of innovation is to make people life better. When it comes to running a business, creativity is essential to making any progress. Innovative project means that the project is innovative, not necessarily the result. Using new methods to create something. Innovative venture, on the other hand, are those that aim to contribute something new and original to the world. I hope this innovation project, which is a bagging stick, will be able to make our life easier. Lastly, we want to thank our lecturer, Dr. Nazatul Ashikin, and Fruit Farm UiTM Pahang Branch Supervisor, Encik Eddie No, which has helped to make our innovation project a success. And that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.